In this video, we're going to take a look at this neck area right here. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to split this right up to there. Actually, I'm going to split it to there. And then I'm going to run another split down here. I'm going to take these, I'm going to merge them at center. I'm going to grab this and I'm going to dissolve that edge. And let's see how that looks. There we go. And it wraps around on the neck. That's exactly what I was looking for. Okay. It was a real quick video, just showing a little bit of cleanup on the neck, and we'll carry on in the next video. Thank you.